First, just look at this channel. Only 29 videos and more than 2.7 million subscribers. And if you see its earnings, your mind will literally be blown. According to Social Blade data, this channel is earning anywhere between $6,400 to $102,000 per month, which is a huge amount. Now just look at the views. 169 million, 104 million, 52 million, 44 million, even 28 million. Their views are only in millions. And this is not the only channel making such types of videos. This channel made a video called Rabbit Journey, and just with 14 videos, they gained over 38,000 subscribers. This is your golden opportunity to become a YouTuber because very few people are making videos like this right now, which means competition is zero and growth is massive. Now here's a small demo I made.
One sunny morning, Rabbit and Tortoise were chatting by a forest road. As Tortoise crossed to get berries, a truck suddenly hit him. Rabbit rushed to his side, heartbroken. He carried Tortoise home and cared for him for days. Slowly, Tortoise healed and Rabbit released him back into the river. Weeks later, a flood swept away Rabbit's home. Struggling in the water, he cried for help. Just then, Tortoise appeared and rescued him. "You saved my life," Rabbit whispered. "Just returning the favor," smiled Tortoise. Their bond became a legend, a tale of true friendship.
You can make such videos in just 5 steps. Step 1, writing a good story. Step 2, image generation. Step 3, video generation. Step 4, voice generation. Step 5, editing. Step 1, writing a good story. But the good news is, you don't need to write the story by yourself. ChatGPT will do that for you. I've designed a special prompt just for this. You simply copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. And within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a beautiful and interesting story for you. Now let me show you how I did it by pasting the prompt into ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT created a very nice story, Rabbit and the Injured Cat. It's quite an emotional and engaging story. Below that, ChatGPT also generated Rabbit and the Lost Duckling. Again, an amazing storyline. And even further down, there's Rabbit and the Lonely Deer. Such lovely content. You can pick any of these stories and use them for your own video. Now let's say you have a story idea in your mind but don't know how to write it properly. And no worries at all. Just write your story in any notepad, like this. One day, Rabbit and his friend Tortoise were chatting near the road when Tortoise started crossing. Suddenly a truck rushed by and hit him. Rabbit gasped and quickly carried his injured friend home. For days, Rabbit cared for Tortoise, feeding him and keeping him warm. When Tortoise finally recovered, Rabbit took him to the river and gently set him in the water. Weeks later, heavy rains flooded the forest, and Rabbit's burrow was swept away by the rushing water. Struggling to stay afloat, he cried for help. Just then, Tortoise swam up and lifted Rabbit onto his back. Now, copy this story, paste it into ChatGPT and write, "Improve this story and make it interesting." Then click on Generate, and boom! ChatGPT will give you a beautiful and more engaging version of your story. This completes our story generation process. Step 2. Image generation. To generate images, we need a detailed prompt. That prompt will be the same story we just generated from ChatGPT. You'll find the full prompt in the comments section. Just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will generate a detailed image prompt for each scene in your story. To generate the images, first open Chrome browser and search Glyph AI. Click on the first website link you see. You'll see an interface. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner, and then choose Sign In with Google. This website allows you to generate high-quality AI images. Now click on Build, then click the plus icon and select Image Generator from the list. You'll see a new interface. Now paste the image prompt, which ChatGPT gave you in the input box. For image generation model, choose FastFlux Schnell plus LoRa. Set the width to 576, and now just hit the Generate button. Within seconds, your beautiful image will be ready. Look at how amazing the detailing and quality is. To download the image, just left-click on it and select Save Images. Save the image to your device. Repeat this process for all the scenes in your story. I'm skipping the rest for now. Step 3. Video generation. Now open runwayml.com and click on Get Started. Then click on Sign up for free and choose Sign up with Google. Once signed in, click on Generate Video. Now upload the image you want to convert into a video. In the prompt box, type what's happening in the image. For example, rabbit and turtle are playing. Set the duration to 5 or 10 seconds, then hit generate. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. If you like the result, click the download button and save it to your device. You can generate the remaining video clips the same way. Step 4, voice generation. Go to the ElevenLabs website. Click on Get Started Free, then sign up with Google. Now take the story narration that ChatGPT gave you and paste it into ElevenLabs. From the voice artist section, select any voice you like. Click on Generate Speech and your AI voiceover will be ready. Download the audio file. Step 5, editing such videos is super easy. I'll show you how to do it using CapCut PC, but you can also do it on mobile. Just match your video clips with the audio and add smooth transitions. Don't forget to add sound effects. They bring your story to life. You can find good sound effects on Pixabay. Once everything is done, just export your video. And that's it. Your fully AI-generated story video is ready. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know how to clone your voice for free, then click on this video right here. Click now